Good afternoon from London. So just gone through that European cash market close where we finished in slight minor negative territory today, and that's with a fairly subdued session with anticipation of the Slovak parliamentary vote on the EFSF changes. We saw earlier comments from the opposition party SMER. They said they'd be abstaining from voting, however will still reach quorum, so that vote will still go ahead. And we also saw comments from the main opposition party leader, Fico. He said they'd be voting no in terms of the government, but will be voting yes in terms of EFS enhancement. So it looks more likely that vote's going to go ahead, so that vote's ongoing at the moment. Now in terms of other news flow, we saw sources say that a haircut of between 40 and 60% of Greek debt is being considered. And we also saw comments from Troika. They said that Greece will receive its next tranche, and that's once its review has been considered by the Eurogroup and the IMF. They also said that Greece will miss its 2011 target. Now in terms of other markets, we've seen some comments out of the IEA chief. He said that oil prices at the moment are too high. However, the OPEC Secretary General said that oil prices are reasonable, so slightly conflicting comments there. And we've seen a fairly muted session today in terms of WTI, trading a slight minor territory, trading around $85 today. Now, in terms of other comments as well, we've seen BOE's Posen speaking. He says that he's pleased that the BOE voted to enhance and increase the amount of quantitative easing. So we saw some weakness in the cable on this. Cable's trading down around 70 pips today. But in terms of news flow, that's about it from me. And looking ahead, we have the House Majority Leader Cantor speaking in a bit. But for now, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of the session.